Today we make our way to Holiday Campground near Panacea, Florida. Located on the Gulf Coast, this is a place that we've been returning to each year. We're looking forward to meeting up with some old friends, and we'll show you some of the things that this area has to offer. We've just hooked up the trailer and it's time to leave Panama City Beach and head to Panacea today to Holiday Campground, one of our favorite campgrounds, and I'd argue that's probably where our passion for camping really began. Although it was a bit longer, we chose to take the coastal route to our next campground. Having traveled this way before, we knew that by hugging the coastline, we would get to see some beautiful ocean views for a good part of our drive. One breathtaking place we chose to stop for a break was Mexico Beach. Destroyed by a hurricane in 2018, this quaint little town is still working on rebuilding, but with its sugar white sand beaches, who wouldn't want to stop here? This was a relatively short drive day, at just over 2.5 hours. But we weren't in a rush, so aside from stopping to take in the sights, we also stopped to make lunch. This is such a great part about pulling your home behind you. We always get excited as we approach this bridge, because directly on the other side is one of our favorite campgrounds. The place we'll stay for our next 4 nights. We have officially arrived at our favorite campground in Panacea, Holiday Campground, and we love it because of this view out our back window. And our friends Terry and Barbara are here, and they just brought us a little care package, some of our favorite things, milk chocolate potato chips, and a nice little card. So we're looking forward to spending the next few days with them, doing lots of biking and exploring of the area, and some more relaxing, of course.
He just decided to walk to the end of the pier all on his own.
Oh, Hudson. Hudson, you didn't read the sign. So, how do you feel about being back at Holiday?
Oh, every time it's amazing. I love it here.
I think Hudson is happy too.
I think he remembers it.
It wasn't long before we were having drinks and snacks with our friends Terry and Barbara. It was so nice to catch up with them after not seeing them since last summer. After that, our next priority was to hop onto our bikes and get the lay of the land. This area is incredibly bike friendly, with dedicated bike paths and bike lanes just about everywhere you go. And of course, after burning all that energy biking, we had to have a taste of the chocolate-covered potato chips that our friends had brought us, before we went outside to enjoy the main thing this campground is known for, its beautiful sunsets. The next day, I was feeling under the weather, but Dave headed out biking with Terry and Barbara, past some controlled burns, which is why you see all that smoke. Earlier in the week, Terry and Barbara had seen some manatees in the area, so they were headed out to see if they could spot some more. It's hard to see in the video, but they did end up spotting a few. Later on, we made the short drive to Bald Point State Park. This state park, located just minutes from the campground, is a nature lover's paradise. It's a great place to spot wildlife, check out natural oyster clusters, or just relax on the beach. What better way to end off the Dave adventures than to take a bike ride through the local community of Alligator Point. Bringing the bikes on this trip is really turning out to be a game changer for us. It's allowing us to see so much more of the local areas.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
The next day I was starting to feel worse, so it was time to head to the local urgent care clinic. I was quickly diagnosed with strep throat, and with the right medication prescribed, I should feel better quickly. Well, it's our last morning here in Panacea, and it hasn't been a great last few days, only because I ended up getting sick when we first got here. Ended up going to the clinic yesterday. They gave me some medication, so I should be feeling better pretty soon. But it was a pretty quiet time here, but honestly not a bad place to be sick. Had nice views of the water from the trailer. And our next destination is only about 2 hours away. We're headed towards Orlando. And once we get to Orlando, we're going to stay another 4 or 5 nights. But our next stop is just a one-nighter, just kind of a stopover as we work our way down there. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out. And don't forget to come back tomorrow to see where we go next.